Getting your emails in your subscribers' inbox is the most important part of your email campaign. And there's a few things you can do to ensure that those emails keep getting into the inbox. Tip 1. Ask new subscribers to confirm their email address. Using Confirmed Opt-in, you can send an email to anybody who signs up to your list. In that email, there's a button they need to click on to confirm to be on your list. Using Confirmed Opt-in ensures that everyone who's on your list really wants to be on your list. Tip 2. Use a custom domain. When sending emails, use a from address from a custom domain. ISPs nowadays are using DMARC, and basically it's a way for them to protect themselves from spammers pretending to send emails from their network. Any unauthorized email, no matter how legitimate the content actually is, could end up in a subscriber spam folder. Tip 3. Make your unsubscribe link easy to find. With email services like Aweber, we include an unsubscribe link in any email you send out. Make sure that people can easily unsubscribe from your emails, otherwise they might mark them as spam. Tip 4. Ask your subscribers to add you to their contact list. Most major ISPs like Gmail or Yahoo or AOL all have a way for your subscribers to safe list your from address. Tip 5. Maintain a good email reputation score. While you never know exactly what your email reputation score is, there's some things you can consider to make sure it stays as high as possible. Your email reputation score is based on things like how many emails you send, your complaint rate, your bounce rates, how many times you've landed in the spam folder, and how many inactive and old addresses you have. You want to make sure you maintain a clean and healthy list to maintain a good email reputation score. Hopefully, those tips make it a little bit easier to know what you need to look out for to avoid the spam folder and have your emails in your subscribers' inbox. Try this out in Aweber today. You can sign up at the end of this video. Until next time.